Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a filter deck using tags in Anki. Open the Anki desktop application on your computer if you not already. Select Tools from the top menu bar and then click on Create Filter Deck. Let me find Create Filter Deck or press F on your keyboard as a shortcut. A pop-up window will appear with option to configure your deck to pull cards using specific tags. Edit the search field text box using these precise formatting commands. So include one tag, select, okay. Okay, so let me show you. We will include one tag here. I will just type in how it needs to be. So let's say like that, tag and then anatomy. Then if you want to include more text, what you need to do is basically type in something like that. We have tag 1, we have tag and then channel 1, or it needs to be with upper cases and then tag and channel 2. Then we can combine tags. The tags must have both, so you just separate them with the space, like so, something like that. And then we have exclude a specific tag, so we do something like that. So these are just an examples how you can do that. So with that, you will basically exclude this difficult tag. Yeah, and then you will just press here build. And yeah, this is basically how you can create a filter deck using tags. Now also what we can adjust is we can limit to, so you will enter the maximum number of cards you want to pull into this temporary deck. Then we have card selected by. Choose how you want Anki to order the cards selection. So random, you have most lapses, order added, and so let's leave it at random. Then we have also options here. So these shadow cards based on my answer in this deck. You can also enable second filter, or you can create update this deck even if is empty. When you do this everything and that you are happy with it, then at the end just click build and your new temporary deck will appear on your main dashboard screen highlighted in blue text. uh, and yeah, click it and begin study normal. And this is basically it, how you can create a filter deck. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next